How to play Overcooked 2 Xbox and PS4. For this, go ahead and open up your Steam and make sure that you are logged in on your Steam account. So right here, you can easily go ahead and launch your Overcooked 2 if you already have it installed on your Steam account. As we know that Overcooked 2 fully supports the controller of your Xbox and your PS4. If you head to Team 17 and search for it, you will find that Overcooked 2 is available on Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, Xbox One and Steam as well as your PS5 and Xbox series. You can also cross-play between your Xbox and PS4. For that, you have to invite your friends. You can easily do that by tapping on the setting option and heading to the invite friend option. Now right here, just go ahead and enter the player card or player tag of your friend. Make sure your friend is online and is using a console of Xbox or PS4. If your friend is trying to play using their PC, you will not be able to cross-play. So make sure that both of you are using consoles. Once your friend is added successfully on Overcooked 2, you both will be able to enjoy the game together. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. We hope you found this helpful to you and thank you so much for tuning in.